To install stone facade to poured concrete, fasteners must be stainless steel and at least 1 inch long. Fasteners must not have a conical head and must fit flush on the fastening hem. Examples of appropriate fasteners include Simpson Strong Tie Titan 1/2 inch by 1 3/4 inch 410 stainless fasteners, Simpson Strong Tie Titan 1/4 by 1 1/4 410 stainless fasteners, and Tapcon 410 stainless 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch hex head fasteners. Fastening to cement masonry units will require larger screws like those mentioned. These screws, however, are too large in diameter to pass through the holes in the fastening flange, so the holes will need to be enlarged to accommodate the larger screws. Begin by installing the starter strip. Drill 17 64th inch holes in the starter strip every 8 to 12 inches. Locate and level the starter strip on the wall at least 4 inches above grade or 2 inches above a hard surface. Refer to local building codes. Transfer hole centers to the concrete wall. Drill holes with a hammer drill. Install starter strips by using stainless masonry fasteners and screw to the wall using the impact screwdriver. To install the first course, cut off the rain screen tabs along the bottom of the back side of each panel that will be mating directly with the starter strip, using snips or a hand grinder. Drill out the holes in the fastening flange on the panels to 17 64th inch diameter to accept the 1/4 inch screws. 2 screws are required for panels under 14 inches or 3 screws for panels 14 inches or wider. Locate and level the panel on the wall. Then transfer hole centers to the concrete wall with a punch or pencil. Remove the panel from the wall to avoid damage to the panel while drilling. Then drill holes with a hammer drill. Fasten using stainless masonry screws and an impact screwdriver.